Hi friends, so this video shows how to install and set up NGINX. So let me search for NGINX package. We can run this command search NGINX. You can see NGINX package is available. So let me install it. We can run install NGINX. Type Y and press enter. You can see total download size is 4.6 MB. Okay, done. So after that, we need to enable NGINX service. For that, we can run this command systemctl enable NGINX. Done. Then let me check the status of NGINX service. You can see it's not running. Let me start it. You can run systemctl start NGINX. Okay, now it's running. Let me check the status again. You can see it's active and running. So let me check the IP address of this machine. It's 192.168.109.130. Let me copy this IP address. See, I am not able to access it. I think I need to open port on firewall. So let me open HTTP port. We can run this command. This will open HTTP port 80. Then we need to reload it. Firewall reload. Okay, done. See, now it's working. Welcome to NGINX on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So let me open NGINX config. We do cat/etc NGINX nginx.conf. We clear it and open. So here you can see the default setting. So when we type that IP address, it will come to this port 80. So this is the settings. Then by default it load this HTML index file in this folder. So let me check it. Copy it, then do cat and ls. Here you can see our index.html file. Let me cat it. This is the default index.html which load. You can see the message here. Interface. So we can add rules here. You can also create a new config file. So these are the, you can see the HTTP block here. Inside HTTP block there is a server block. There we can specify the listen port, location, and this is a server block for HTTPS 443. There also you can specify the location and port number on those things.